Bushcraft 101, page 60. Safe wood splitting position. Another way to split a plank of wood is to lay it horizontally on the anvil instead of vertically. This will create a smaller margin for a miss and allow easy splitting to kindling size. Remember, when splitting any wood, that it will tend to fly left or right of the anvil. These areas should be cleared of persons or gear before starting. Once you have processed the wood to smaller than wrist size pieces, you can use a compound anvil for splitting of longer pieces. Place the desired piece onto the anvil horizontally. Once you've made the strike and the axe has penetrated through the wood into the anvil, leave the axe stationary and pull the wood to one side to complete the split. Processing firewood. You should be able to process an 8-inch diameter log that is approximately 12 inches long into 88 pieces of kindling if necessary, or into any derivative that is needed from that. Use pieces at least 2 inches in diameter for fuel sources, and pieces no bigger than large number 2 pencils, page 61, as kindling. Remember that harder and green woods will burn longer, but softer dead wood will take flame faster. So a combination may be necessary for a good fire lay, depending on your conditions. Felling. Felling a tree can have an effect on the environment, so it should not be done lightly. Always use dead wood for any construction and smaller saplings when you can. If it's necessary to fell a tree, consider the following before you proceed. Number 1, select the smallest available tree that will meet the needs you have. Number 2, ensure that the safe zone is clear of any gear or obstructions. This includes other trees that may affect the fall of the intended tree. A tree hung halfway down in another treetop presents a whole other set of issues. Number 3, ensure that you have a good escape route from the area behind where the tree will hinge. Judging the height of a tree. To understand the safe area you must create before felling a tree, you need to know how tall the tree is so you know how much area is needed. To accomplish this, you can use your compass inclinometer. Move away from the tree until aiming the compass at the top shows a 45-degree angle on the inclinometer. At this point, the distance you are away from the tree will approximately equal to its height.